Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Days, and in today's video we are going to talk about the must-haves in your toddler's medical kit. Now the first thing that falls in this category is the doctor trust infrared thermometer. You know, when toddlers are ill or we give vaccination, we do have to keep track of their temperature because we don't want that to go beyond 103 degrees. And in that case, when you go use a traditional thermometer, put it under their underarms and then expect the baby to actually stay still until we get the results, it's extremely practically impossible, and it's also very stressful. In that case, this has come of great help for me because this does the job within 3 seconds. It comes with a power button, and then once we click that one, it also makes a small sound. After that, you'll have to just click on the start, and then you have to hold it right away on their forehead, and that's it. You get the results so quick, and it is this quick. I think we are using it from 2.5 years and we still have no problem with this. This is like the best. I'll also try to put the link in the description section so that you go ahead and buy. And the second thing which I'm going to talk about is this Mother Sparsh After Bite Turmeric Balm. I'll tell you why I bought this one. Basically, whenever Avir, when he's bitten by the mosquitoes, it tends to leave a black mark on his legs or arms, so which was actually kind of tough to get rid of it. So this has helped me in that case. Whenever the baby is bitten by a mosquito, when you see that it's still red, you can go ahead and apply this one. Let me show you how it looks. You'll have to apply this one. After I've started using this one, there are no marks left, and this is definitely a bomb product. And the next one is the mosquito gel from Chicco. It's called Anti-Mosquito Baby Natural Protection, and definitely this is much needed because when we are taking them outside, make sure you put this onto their arms, legs, whichever the exposed regions are, and that way you are actually protecting them from getting bitten by the mosquitoes. And I also use the one from Odomos also. That also works very well, but for the babies who are less than like 6 months, please do not go and apply it on their skin because their skin is really delicate and sensitive. So in that case, I would suggest you to buy some roll-ons or some sprays, because you can just spray around there, roll that on their fabric, and that way you are actually protecting them. And the next thing in my medicine kit is the sunscreen from Mother Sparsh again, and this is very effective. It's actually a SPF 30+, and it's a plant-based one, free from parabens and phthalates. So I really love this one, except for the fact that it does give a white cast, but that's okay on the babies. I was using the one from, I think, the Baby and Mom World. That did not leave a white cast. I quite enjoyed both of them on Avir. And the next product is the Bonnisan from Himalaya. This I keep it handy because Avir is actually kind of prone to constipation. I'll make sure I'll give him 1 or 2 spoons, which actually relieves him from constipation. And the next one which I've got is a calamine lotion. This is because in case if the babies have these rashes or any heat boils, I think this works perfectly well, so I keep it handy. The other one which I've got is a tummy roll-on, which I don't use it currently, but I used it a lot when he was like in his first year and second year because he was very colicky. In that case, actually this tummy roll-on helped from the Mamaearth one. Not like it helped to a greater extent, but otherwise I did not want to give him syrup every time, so in that case this has helped to some extent, I would say. And the next is the syrup section. Before I get into that one, let me tell you, I'm not going to tell you what brand it is or how much ml you're going to use, because I think this should be purely taken under the pediatrician's prescription. Because this is a COVID situation, it's better you talk to your pediatrician and keep all these syrups at your home so that you can use it whenever needed, but only after you have consulted with your doctor. One is definitely a paracetamol, that in case any fever is detected, I'll anyways call the doctor, but before I reach the clinic, I can at least give him a letter. The cough release, in case if there are any runny nose or stuffy nose, in that case I go ahead and use this. I also use one called BabyRub. I don't know, I could not find that, so I'll just put up an image over here. You can go check it out. Whenever I feel that he's going to catch cold in some time, I put it under his feet and I put up a socks, and overnight I leave it, and most of the time it has helped him from not getting cold. And I also put it on his chest chest, and that way it also helps him to release in case of any blockage in his nose. The other one is I have also got a syrup in case if he has stomach ache. In case of the newborns, you can keep the nasal drops handy. If you have colic issues, the colic aids are needed. Doctor also prescribes you some vitamin drops and vitamin D drops. Do not miss the vitamin D drops. That is very important. And the other one is the diaper rash cream, and if the diaper rash is really severe, rash free, and definitely this is something which gave me quick relief. So that's all for today. Hope you all liked the video and found this informative. If so, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be back in yet another informative video. So until then, as I always say, cherish every moment of your motherhood. Take care. See ya. Bye bye.